हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू पैकनरी कैपिटल सागा। आज हम शेयर मार्केट से किस तरह से इन्वेस्ट करें उसके बारे में जानेंगे। मैं रोज़ इन स्ट्रेटजीज को फॉलो करता हूँ। आइए आप भी मेरे साथ देखें। आज मैं खरीदूंगा ISGEC हैवी इंजीनियरिंग लिमिटेड, सॉरी, जिसका करंट मार्केट प्राइस इस समय 580 के करीब चल रहा है और उसका शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए जो टारगेट है वो 841 है, यानी कि अपसाइड जो पोटेंशियल है वो 45% है। कंपनी का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है ISGEC, प्रीवियसली नोन एज सरस्वती इंडस्ट्रियल सिंडिकेट लिमिटेड, produces and sells heavy engineering equipment, mechanical and hydraulic presses and castings. The company also engages in the construction and also manufactures process plant equipments including reactors, high pressure vessels, shell and tube exchangers, columns and towers, high pressure boiler drums and boiler pressure parts, presses such as mechanical and hydraulic straight sided presses and mechanical gap frame presses and boilers comprising dump grate boilers, travelling grate boilers, atmospheric fluidized bed combustion boilers, circulation fluidized bed combustion boilers, oil gas fired boilers, waste heat recovery boilers, derators and related spare parts. The company was set up in 1933 and is based in Haryana. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है कि कंपनी का जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है वो 1933 में हुई है और ये हरियाणा में है। की इन्वेस्टमेंट आर्गूमेंट्स: वी मेंटेन आवर पॉजिटिव व्यू ऑन ISGEC हैवी इंजीनियरिंग लिमिटेड विद एन अपसाइड पोटेंशियल ऑफ 45%, यानी कि अभी आप खरीदते हैं तो इसमें आपको उम्मीद है कि आपको 45% तक प्रॉफिट मिलने की उम्मीद है, कंसिडरिंग attractive valuation and normalcy in business operations from financial year 2023. ISGEC reported largely in line revenue, while OPM disappointed due to impact of commodities inflation. We expect margins to revert to normalcy from 2023. Order inflow during H1 is up 67%, while order book is healthy at 1.45 multiply TTM manufacturing and EPC revenue. Order pipeline is strong in both domestic and overseas markets. Philippines plant to commence construction in couple of months. Ethanol plant to start contributing to revenue from Q4 financial year 2022. Next one is Honeywell Automation India Limited. ये इस समय जो चल रहा है 40,848 के करीब चल रहा है। उसका प्राइस टारगेट है 52,407. Company description is Honeywell is a leader in providing integrated automation and software solutions, including process solutions and building solutions. The company has a wide product portfolio in environmental and combustion controls and sensing and control. The company also provides engineering services in the field of automation and control to global clients. A Fortune India 500 company, Honeywell has more than 3,000 employees based in 9 offices across India: Pune, Baroda, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon, Kolkata and Jamshedpur. Key investments arguments are: Honeywell Automation India Limited reported lower than estimated revenue for quarter Q2 financial year 2022 along with lower OPM affected by pressure on gross margins. Despite trailing 2 quarters of execution-led miss, the company is expected to benefit from investments in oil and gas, smart cities, airports and building solutions segments going ahead. The company continues to generate strong cash flow and maintains a robust balance sheet. We retain our buy rating on the stock with an unchanged PT of rupees 52407, as management hopes demand would surge as after effects of COVID-19 pandemic on investment ease. अगला शेयर जो है नेक्स्ट वन इज Bosch Limited. We will buy at CNP current market price is 18,826 nearby. Price target is 21,199. Company description is: the Bosch Group is a leading automotive global supplier of technology and services. In India, Bosch is a leading supplier of technology and services in the areas of mobility solutions, industrial technology, consumer goods, and energy and building technology. Additionally, in India, Bosch has the largest development center outside Germany for end-to-end engineering and technology solutions. In India, Bosch has set up its manufacturing operations in 1951. That's good. Which have grown over the years to include 18 manufacturing sites and 7 development and application centers. Now, key investments arguments are Q2 financial year 2022 PAT was above expectations, led by higher than expected revenue growth and decent EBITDA margin in a tough market. Bosch is well prepared to tap on emerging opportunities in electrifications and connected vehicles with strong technologies support from its parent. We expect Bosch earnings to report a 22.5% CAGR during financial year 2021 financial year 2023 driven by a 19.8% revenue CAGR and a 470 BPS rise in EBITDA margin. Expansions to 16.6% in financial year 2023 from 11.9% in financial year 2021. Be retained by with a revised PT of rupees 21199, factoring recovering in automotive demand across segments and improving content per vehicle. The stock trades at PE of 30.2 multiply and EBITDA of 18.1 multiply its financial year 2023 estimates. Now comes on Suprajit Engineering Limited. You can buy nearby current market price, that is 456, and price target is 537. Company description is Suprajit is a global leader in the automotive cables and halogen bulb industry with a competitive manufacturing base in India, UK, US and Mexico, along with a technical and logistic supports worldwide. The company provides optimal product development and manufacturing solutions and to its domestic and international customers. With a CAGR of over 25%, Suprajit has one of the largest manufacturing capacities in the world with 300 plus million cables per year and 110 plus million bulbs per year. Suprajit is a well diversified company deriving 60% of its revenue from global operations while 40% of its revenue is derived domestically. 2W is the largest segment contributing 37% to revenue while 20% revenue is derived from the automotive 4-watt segment. Aftermarket constitutes 23% of revenue while the non-automotive segments constitute 20% of revenue. Key investment arguments are we reiterate our buy rating on Suprajit Engineering Limited Suprajit with a revised PT of Rs 537 factoring its robust value proportion to its domestic and global client and better multiples. Q2 financial year 2022 number were better than expectations with revenue, EBITDA and PAT improving by 36.5%, 62.6% and 99.8% respectively. On a QoQ basis, helped by strong recovery in sales, we expect Suprajit earning to report a 33.7% CAGR during financial year 2021E to financial year 2023E, driven by a 22.9% revenue CAGR and 130 BPS improvement in EBITDA margin with its ROS improving back to 22.1% in financial year 2023E. The stock trades at PE multiple of 24.8 times and EBITDA multiple of 16.7 multiply its financial year 2023E estimates. तो ये है जो आज के जो शेयर खरीदने हैं हम लोग, मैं क्यों शेयर खरीदूंगा उसके बारे में मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है, उसका फंडामेंटल किस तरह स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उसकी मार्केट में डिमांड किस तरह से है और आगे आने वाले टाइम में क्या हम लोग अगर इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो क्या आगे रेवेन्यू बढ़ पाएगा, क्या हमारे जो कैपिटल है उसकी ग्रोथ हो पाएगी कि नहीं हो पाएगी, इसके बारे में जो मैंने